Our product range is vast and varied, spanning from fashion accessories to functional tools, catering to a diverse array of industry needs. Whether you are looking for quality, innovation, or cost-effectiveness, we provide the best solution. Shun Hing Zipper Company Limited, professional zipper manufacturing, leading at the industry forefront. Advanced waste management for environmental protection. Dedicated team with ongoing training for skill enhancement. Global presence with branches in China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, USA. We adhere to the world's highest standards of certification. Introducing 3D printing technology to pioneer design innovation. Crafting unparalleled product experiences. Data color systems employed to ensure color consistency, elevating product aesthetics to a new level. Utilizing advanced fully automated technology for zipper puller production. Offering unmatched efficiency and quality. Precision automated spraying technology ensures vibrant and lasting colors. With our technology, clients can receive products with vibrant colors and outstanding texture, which will add highlights to their market presence and enhance their brand image. Our fully automated zipper production line integrates cutting-edge automation technology and precise quality control systems, ensuring that every zipper is manufactured flawlessly. From the selection of raw materials to the production of finished goods, each step is closely monitored to guarantee efficient production and superior quality. We continuously pursue technological innovation, aiming to combine automation with craftsmanship to provide highly reliable, durable, and aesthetically pleasing zipper products to customers worldwide. A professional QC team rigorously conducts various product tests. Our quality inspection process not only focuses on the appearance and functionality of the products, but also emphasizes their long-term performance, ensuring that our products perform excellently in various demanding environments. Our commitment is to seamlessly integrate every detail, creating perfect products and services that offer unparalleled value and partnership experience. Contact us to create a more successful future together.